mga repax, good evening. Yeah. Lalabas kami. Huling gabi namin dito sa Tokyo. Pupunta kami sa Godzilla Head. Kasi gusto namin makita yun eh. Yun talaga yung matagal ko nang gusto makita eh. So, baka may imit din tayo na kamag-anak natin na nagkataon na nandito rin sa Tokyo. So, mamaya, papakita ko. Alright? Samahan nyo kami tonight. Magdi-dinner kami somewhere. At siya na! Ano ba ngayon dito? Friday? Ah, kaya pala eh. Ayos. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, let's go! Ano daw eh? Saan ba yan? Mga repax, dami tao. Friday pa lang ngayon. Grabe, no? Diretso lang. Alright, let's go. Nasaan kaya si Godzilla dito? Godzilla, nasa kaya yung ulo nun? Hanapin ko talaga yun. Ganda. Nasa na si Godzilla? Yun. Ayun. Yan pala eh. Tatago eh. Godzilla ba yan? Mukhang leon eh, no? Dami tao. Dance! Where's Godzilla? Where? Ayun ba? Ayun na. Kita ba? Zoom natin.
There's gonna come out soon.
Yun.
Oh, you're scared of Godzilla.
Ayun na. Si Godzilla, di ba? Dami tao dito. Ganda, di ba? Yun na, ayos na. Uwi tayo. Nakita na si Godzilla eh. Yan mga repax, so yung mga nakapilang yan, nag-aalok yan sa parang advertise na para pumasok kayo sa mga bar or club nila. Yan, para mga model. Saya dito. Ha? Kami tao. Oh? Si Angelique. Yan mga repax. Kasama tayong ating kamag-anak. Yan. Si Angelique Bermudez. Dito lang kami sa Shinjuku nagagala. Ano tao? Mga repax.
May kasama ng fried rice.
Nandito kami ngayon sa ramen place. Are you sleepy?
No.
Sama natin ang mga kamag-anak natin sa Montalban. Ayan o. Si Angelique. Si Kuya Iko. At syempre si Kevin, ang asawa ni Angelique. Yan. Shout out, Kevin. Yan. Nagkita-kita kami dito sa sa Tokyo. Kalahin nyo yun, ha? Magkikita lang sa Tokyo. Pwede man sa kanto lang, eh. Yan, kakain kami ng ramen dito sa... Ano pangalan ito? Hindi maintindihan yung pangalan, eh. Yan. Pala, shout out, Tita Marisa, kung nanonood ka. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tulong. Kasama kami ni Angelique, oh. Ano Kuya Iko, oh. Kuya Si!
I was like, I need a really? But then I keep falling asleep. No, get tired. Because I'm the navigator. Navigator, and then when my son cries, I have to carry him.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.
What is that beer? Can you show? What beer is that?
Oh. Asai, dry asai, parang red wine.
Ah.
It's
Good.
good, right?
It's like
What can you say?
Huh?
What can you say about the...
Thing about it?
We're blogging it.
I don't have a song about Asai.
Sorry. It tastes like what's the similar back in here like the Corona? Corona? No.
Electric fan brand too.
Yeah.
Oh, that is. It's the same. The Asai is also the brand of it.
Yeah.
I don't think it's the same company though.
Is it good? How is it?
It's like Red Horse. A little bit.
It's a Philippine
It's the
brand.
same.
I don't think there's any
Ganito rin kala may Red Horse.
brand beer that tastes like this.
Ah,
More strong. It's like,
all right.
I don't want to
Yeah.
compare it to Bud.
Ito, Japan talaga.
Okay.
Meron sa atin ito. Meron sa atin ito.
I can drink a lot of this because it's like light. It doesn't make me full.
Yeah.
I get bloated.
I don't drink a lot of beer. I drink bourbon.
Oh.
I'm on the hard liquor.
Lately I've been drinking gin and tonic, but I don't drink that often. Only when I go to like weddings or
Oh, Blue Label.
whiskey.
Oh, there, whiskey.
Ano ba kayo? Hard o beer? Kahit ano.
Eh, may whiskey nga daw si Tito eh. Din dyan sa baba? Asa? Akala ko na
I don't drink like
Akala ko ni Tito.
too much.
What's up?
Like sip.
No, just
And then my
relax.
cigar.
What's that?
That's it.
Comfort.
Parang Korean na forma ng mga to.
Mga Gen Z ba sila? Mga Gen Z.
Mga Korean na, no?
Mga early 20s, no? They're in all early 20s.
BTS.
Oh, yeah, right? Oo. Iba na ngayon. Here.
Oh, fried rice.
Okay, we got the order. It's right here.
Fried beef.
Oh, fried beef. Ano ba?
Okay,
Pork
Lance.
yata ito eh.
Hindi, chicken yan.
Chicken ba? Hindi ba pork yan?
Chicken.
Ah, karagi.
Cutlet. Oh, yeah, karagi. It's chicken. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, eat now, Lance. Oh, we need a spoon.
No, it's okay.
Spicy daw yan. Sa akin daw.
Combination.
I don't know. I don't know what I ordered. I'm not sure what I ordered. It's spicy.
Ano daw to?
But I think it's the same. I think this is yours because it's
Is it
spicy.
spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's spicy.
Yeah.
You don't eat spicy?
Not that much. That's why.
You don't eat
Got it?
You like spicy? Me too.
Thai? I eat Thai food.
Oh yeah. Chai is always like kinda
So,
got a kick on it.
Tama na si Tatay Sarang.
Just the grabe ko sabi ko sa Lawson, oh finally.
Sino sa...
Hindi ko sanay sa...
Sino nagsabi?
I eat a lot. I eat a lot in Lawson, Family Mart. It's good.
Yeah, it's good. Their sandwiches,
I like the cream puff.
I like cream puffs.
cream puffs, yeah.
I don't know why.
I can eat it all day.
I wanted to try like their snacks, like their cookies, yeah. So I bought a lot of like goodies there, just to snack on, yeah.
You like sandwich?
Yeah, we always buy, like when we come home late, we just buy a lot. So we have like
We
late
have,
night
yeah.
dinner,
Yeah, right.
breakfast, maybe lunch for tomorrow.
I know, like in the middle of the night I wake up because I get our body clock is still like, okay, my mind is still saying it's lunchtime, like at 2 a.m. So I gotta get up and like kind of snack on something.
Hindi kompleto. Hindi masarap yan.
Good? How was it?
Kagigising na. He just woke up. He just woke up. Huh? Spoiled, oh. You're gonna finish that? You need to share. No? Oh boy.
Still waiting.
Sila ba?
Nag-order na
Mom,
ba
look
sila?
at jellyfish.
Ah,
Look
okay.
at jellyfish.
Oh, wow.
Look, it's gonna go on the feet.
Malayo yung Gino dito.
Oh my goodness. It's a blue one.
Uniqlo.
Yeah. How come it's a blue one?
I thought they was stinky.
Oh yeah, I did. I don't think that's cool. Pretty cool, guys. Oh yeah, it's blue. It's raining, yeah.
The shoes is wet. Everything is wet.
Yeah, we
Even
went
with the
today
umbrellas, it's
with the
a lot of water
umbrellas
out
on the ground, yeah.
there. Yeah, it was raining.
I just wanted to see Achiko. But
Did you see the line to take the video? We waited.
Yeah.
I said, oh.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, it went fast.
It went fast, yeah.
Yeah, we went yesterday. Yeah.
Yesterday.
Did you go on the train?
Oh, yeah,
Oh my God.
It's so confusing, right?
With a small kid too, it would have been hard for you guys. Because with
I'm the
the small
navigator. I can kind of figure it out.
oh
And then
yeah.
you just have to know which line you have to take.
Yeah, we did that, but we still got lost a few times. There's like we went to a wrong rail,
Some
so we
station.
got off and then found another route, but still, it's not the.
Yeah, some of the stations are really big.
Yeah.
Like there's one big station and then there's like a smaller station like very close and they communicate connected around.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to go to the main station but then walk to the smaller station sometimes. And then there's also multiple floors.
Oh my God, it's big.
Yeah.
It's so confusing. Yeah, that's where we went. For to go to and it's supposed to be just one stop to go to Shibuya, but it was hard for us to get there.
Do you know?
Mga Repax, nandito kami sa isang ramen place. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan mamaya. Pero kakaiba yung sabaw niya, malapot. Parang lomi. Yan, oh. Pero masarap siya, ha. Yan, oh. Yan, nagdi-dinner kami kasama ang mga kababayan natin, tiga Montalban. Yan, oh, ha. Sarap. Let's go. Tikinain na natin kagabi, oh. Diba?
Ba yun?
Oo. Alright mga Repax, yun na nga. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating Japan trip. Yan. So, minute natin yung ating mga kamag-anak, no? Mga kababayan natin sa ating bayan ng Montalban. Kaya nagkataon naman na nandito rin sila. Kaya yun, nakipagkita tayo para makipag-inuman at kwentuhan at kainan at yun nga, konting inuman. Kaya yun. So bukas, pabalik na kami ng Chicago. Sana kahit papano nagustuhan nyo ang ating munting selebrasyon para sa birthday ni Lance, ang ating munting bakasyon sa Japan bilang isang first timer. Ayan, sana may natutunan kayo, sana may na-share ako kahit papanong kaalaman, at sana sa pagpunta nyo sa Japan makatulong at magamit nyo. Alright, muli, ako po ang Boy Tate. Mag-ingat po tayo lagi. God bless us all. Chacha na. Let's go. Narito tayo ngayon sa Japan Airlines Sakura Lounge. Meron silang udon. Lalagyan nyo lang ng sabaw yan. And then, sulit itong rice. Pinipindot lang ito mga Repax. Lalabas na. So tatapat nyo lang dyan yung plato nyo. Meron tayo dito curry tsaka mapo tofu. Meron tayong salad bar. Meron tayong, eto yung main entry nila kasi breakfast pa. Egg, potato, french fries, pasta, bread. Ito kung ano-anong beer, seltzer. Dito meron silang snacks. Champagne, soda, some wine, some whiskey, ayan o, Suntory, Kumo, kahit ano dyan, pwede kayong kumuha dyan, sama yan, mga wine, beer, yun mga Repax. Alright, so yan ang makikita nyo sa loob ng Sakura Lounge dito sa Haneda International Airport. So let's go, chacha na!